Hi students, how are you today? I hope everybody fine. Right, today I'm going to explain how to make a pentagonal prism. Like this, pentagonal prism. Before we do this, we need to prepare some things to draw the nets. You will need a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, glue, scissors to cut, and of course paper to draw. Right, the first we do when we want to make a pentagonal prism, we have to know the nets of pentagonal prism. Here it is, the nets of solid pentagonal prism. Okay, this is a small paper and short paper. I make it the bigger because I want to have bigger pentagonal prism. But if you want to use this paper only, then okay. Right, so because I want to make bigger, I need a big paper also. And I'm going to draw the nets on this paper. How to draw? Just take a look. You need to draw long line using a ruler, 30 centimeter ruler. Draw here 30 centimeter lines long, and another one also 30. And after that, divide the line into 5 equal parts. So each line have 6 centimeter. Each length, each length of the line here have 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Do the rest to the pentagonal side. After you finish drawing the nets, pentagonal prism nets, now cut it, okay? But be careful, if you cannot do by yourself, ask someone to help you to cut, okay? Now, let us cut the nets of pentagonal prism. I will start from the straight line. Ta-da! Here are our nets, pentagonal prism nets. Now it's time to fold the nets into a pentagonal prism, like this. After you finish cut the nets of pentagonal prism, now we are going to fold the square face and pentagonal faces to make pentagonal prism shape like this. Take a look how to fold the shapes. First, fold the small sides in pentagonal line, pentagonal face here. Okay, and after that, fold it the pentagonal faces, 2 of pentagonal face. Okay, after that, fold square faces and another square faces. Then, after that, we are going to glue all the sides. Okay, so pentagonal shape first. Here, look at the small side, then glue it and paste. Okay, here it is. We finished one side. Do also to the rest of them. And the last is the top faces. The top faces, you just put inside like this. If you want to, you don't need to glue. Basically, it is already done. Ta-da! Pentagonal prism!